Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing and review of the Pathfinder and Monarch cases from UAG for the Samsung S9 Plus. So this is the package that I got. Let me just put the S9 Plus aside for now. So this is the package. Let me just open it up. So these are the two cases. This is the Pathfinder and this is the Monarch. We'll start with the Pathfinder. Just like the Autobox case that I reviewed earlier, even this case offers impact resistance and it's supposed to be very light in weight. So let's see how good it is. Okay, I've held the box wrong the entire time. So it is drop tested, and by the way guys, this is also US military standard drop test certified. So that's pretty cool. So this is the case and I'm really sorry for not opening it the right way. So this is a normal slip-on case. On the outside it is hard plastic, and over here we even have the branding UAG, cutouts for the camera module. We even have the cutouts at the bottom and a single cutout at the top for the microphone. And on the inside it has this mesh kind of a texture to offer additional protection. Now let me just put on the case. By the way guys, this case feels very light. And this is how the phone looks with the case on. S9 Plus is around 180 grams and it's heavy to start with, and with this case on it again feels quite heavy. Let's check the weight. So with this particular case it weighs 228 grams. That's 12 grams less than the symmetry case from Autobox. Surprisingly, buttons on this particular case have a very nice tactile feel to them. They even give out a nice tactile clicky feel. So that's something I really miss on the symmetry case from Autobox. So this is how the Pathfinder case looks on the S8. It obviously offers drop protection, so you can do things like this maybe. By the way, this is my friend's phone, and if he sees this, he'll probably cry. So anyway, it even offers protection for the front because of the raised lip. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for this particular case. Let's move on to Monarch. So the packaging itself looks very premium. Let's see how it turns out. So on the front it says drop tested 2x. I don't know what that means. It also says top grain leather. Maybe it's something we see inside. Now on the back we have some highlighting features, that is the armor frame, leather or carbon fiber, polycarbonate shear plate, alloy metal hardware, and impact resistant rubber. And this also gets 10 years of limited warranty, as if the S9 can survive that long. So let's unbox it. I guess this is what we need to do. That just proves that this is the first time I'm seeing this case. So this is the case and that's all we get inside the box. So doesn't look all that different from the Pathfinder. Maybe it's a difference in the metal construction. Over here we have a leather finish, whereas it is completely plastic on the Pathfinder. And we even have this metal things at the edges. Maybe it does offer a lot of protection. By the way guys, without the phone on, these cases definitely feel very light. The lightest cases I've ever seen, at least considering how huge these cases look. Now let's quickly have a physical overview. Once again we have the cutouts for the camera module on the back, for the ports, and the microphone at the top. Now let me put this case on the phone. Once again it is super easy to put on the case and it does hold it firmly. Just like the Pathfinder, buttons have a nice clicky feel to them, but buttons are not as good as the one on the Pathfinder. Still pretty good. The case has a raised lip on the front, so it does offer some protection for the display. So you can do stuff like this. Yes, my friend might be planning to kill me right now. So anyway, this is how the phone looks with the Monarch case. Because of the rubber chin, it does offer some kind of resistance. So it isn't sliding off on the front side. And the same goes with the back. It has this nice texture on the back. A leather finish on the back, looks premium. And it is also supposed to be more secure than the Pathfinder. So I'm not going to do a drop test, but this case definitely feels more secure than this one. Now with this case on, it weighs 235 grams. Now that's just 5 grams less than the out-of-box symmetric series case. Even that 5 grams makes a huge difference. So if I have to buy a case for the Samsung S9 Plus, I'll definitely go with this one. So between these cases from UAG and the Autobox, I'll definitely go with the UAG because they are sleeker, lighter and offer the same level of drop protection. And between these two cases, I'll definitely go with the Monarch. Don't know why, but it feels more secure. So guys, that was the unboxing and the quick review of the UAG cases for the Samsung S9 Plus. If you want to buy these cases, I'll leave a link for that in the description. Do check it out, and if you're planning to buy the S9 Plus, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.